What's up everybody, Rookie Mistakes Fishing here, and today it is tournament night eve. We are heading out on a beautiful sunset. We're gonna go ahead and get down there to Broad Creek. We're gonna spend the night at one of the guys fishing the tournament with us at their house. About 6 p.m. Got Liam.
What's up?
Got Papa Dave up there. Luke's gonna be joining us later. And we're just gonna try to document the whole trip. And you know, hopefully we do well, and I'll document a little bit of the footage of us driving down there, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright guys, we're out here, tournament day, lines are in. Alright, a lot of boats out here, gonna be hard to see them on the GoPro, probably, I don't know, 10 or 11 in just this spot here we're at. Outriggers are out. This side, boat rod, and this side's out, boat rod's going out on that side. Got the whole team here, Greg, Dave, Luke, Pat, Liam, myself. And keep you guys updated. Hopefully we'll hook into one soon. First light bite might be a thing today. We'll
so we're in the sweet spot.
see. In front of you.
Yeah, when you just get on the boat, set up on the floor, we'll need a hand wheel.
Honestly, yeah. It's a little dink. We just flip them. Yeah.
Make sure it's not.
There he is.
And if he's legal, well, he won't be. You want to badger him?
Leader. All right, so we're tangled with another line pretty badly. That first inside one's tangled. Dad, keep us straight if you can. We're like really tangled. Yeah, probably. We'll measure him, but he's probably short.
Give me the fish. I'll measure him. You guys put it on our cobweb. I got him. Short. Where's
Yeah, it's in the top drawer. There's a tape. All right. Whoa. Fish on?
Outside river just popped.
Yeah, it's a fish. It's a fish. All right, so we found the fish, Dad. They moved from the red marker out here more.
Yeah.
Net this one or flip? Flip him. We'll just flip him. Oh, you go, Liam.
Dude, every rod we
No, this one right here. This one right here. There's nothing on it. I don't feel it. I don't think. Yeah, I can't feel it.
Now, can this be the outer one? It doesn't have enough.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Put it out?
Well, the outside one had a 4 ounce on it.
That's what I'm saying. Looks like a 6.
Here, we can put this one right back out.
Legal fish there. Want me to measure it?
Yeah, we can measure them, but I think we're in a school. I think we're gonna find bigger ones.
I'm just saying that's a deeper fish.
Well, he's close. All right, set it back out. We'll keep going. All right, we found him. Found him. Let's go.
Power lines up.
He snagged another rig. This one just... He snagged that outside the red one here. That's not even a bad fish.
All right. Tell me if you need something. Want me to leader him?
Yeah, here, grab the leader over my head.
You got it.
There he is.
Keeper.
That'll keep.
That's out. If he flips that over, then.
All right, Liam, take him. Get a measure on him.
18, 17 and a half.
Might be bigger than the first one. I'll hold him up.
There.
Hold on. Liam is on. Frigate net. Let's see if we can get him in. Got a couple good ones so far. One in the 25-inch range, couple in the borderline 19-inch range. Liam says this one feels good.
It's heavy.
Feels heavy. But then again, Liam pulled in an 18 earlier and said it felt heavy, so we'll...
Well, also, you're about to get pranked, so...
Is it not even a rockfish?
Flounder.
The 5-gallon bucket strikes again.
It's absolutely a flounder. Oh wait, I forgot this was the umbrella rod.
Hey, I've seen crazier.
He's staying down like a good fish.
Watch your turn.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that is a nice one. In the net. There she is. That'll eat.
That'll do.
That's a nice fish, boys. That is a nice fish.
Well done, team.
Yes, sir.
Fish Boat Daily,
Yes,
FPD in the house.
Got Craig on the net.
Didn't work.
It's at
Captain
30.
Luke.
If they have everything every time they put it in, it automatically goes. All right, thank you.
24 and 11/16.
£6, 9 ounces.
6 pounds, 9 ounces.
20 and 7/8.
20, 7/8.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
20 and 3/16.
20 and 3/16.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
3 pounds.
24 and a quarter.
24 and a quarter.
How you doing? 4 pounds, 15 ounces.
4 pounds.
right, gentlemen, hold the bucket up. I'll slide them in there for you. And with your blue bracelet, you can get your food over at the white tent.
Alright guys, so sorry I didn't get a video of the end of the tournament there. I got a couple clips of us in line at the weigh-in station. The winning fish ended up being around 11.7 pounds, so I think our biggest was around 6.5 pounds, which is about 25 inches I think it was. So we didn't get the biggest fish, but we are competing in the 4-stringer and the 2-stringer. It was a pretty tough tournament. A lot of the clips you saw were towards the end of the day, right when lines up was about to happen, and to be honest, we didn't really have a bite at that first outgoing tide in the morning. We maybe had 1 or 2 knockdowns. You'll see, I think I have a couple clips. There were a lot of knockdowns, like I want to say halfway through the day, which is really odd because normally they stay on the hook, but we just kept losing the fish. Every time we got to a rod, the fish jumped off, and it got to a point where we probably had, I don't know, maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 knockdowns in a row with no fish, and then just for whatever reason that tide swung. Maybe the angle of the sun, enticed them to bite more, and then we were just slamming them left and right. And that was around 1:30 when the lines in was around 2. So we were able to get our fish kind of in the last 30 minutes there of trolling. So it was definitely an afternoon bite. Anyways, guys, it was a great tournament. Caught a lot of fish. It was just fun to be able to go out there with some friends, catch some fish, have a good time, support a great cause, and fish another tournament with the team. But if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like it, subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to see more content like this, I should have a couple of videos coming out soon. I recorded a lot of our practice days, so I'll go ahead and post that after this one goes up. So look forward to that, and this is Rookie Mistakes Fishing, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.